Hi, and welcome to the last section of Android styles and themes. In this section, we are going to talk about version-specific styles, day-night theme, custom view, and Android X. In this video, I am going to talk about version-specific styles. First, I will give you an overview. Then, we will explore version-specific in XML files. And finally, we will use it on the code. In the Android, we can have multiple styles for different API versions. It helps us to use features if available. For example, navigation bar color is available on Android 21 and above. So, we can create two styles, one for API 21 and above, and another one for below 21 version. In XML, we should create multiple styles.xml in values folder and declaring available attributes in each style file. Android automatically select the appropriate style file based on user Android version. Inheritance helps you to remove duplicated code in each style file. Let's dive into the code. I created a new project which has a main activity and activity_main as a layout. Min_SDK version is 14. Let's open the style file. I want to add navigation bar color item and use red color as a value. As you know, navigation bar color is only available on Android 21 and above. So I want to create another style file. Right-click on values folder and from new menu, click values resource file. Enter styles as the name and add version qualifier and 21 as a platform API level. Then click OK. Now copy the app theme style to this file. As you see, there is no error on navigation bar color in this file. Then let me remove the item from style.xml. If you run the application on device with Android version 21 and above, you will see red color on navigation bar. Let's explore the styles.xml files. Here we have three duplicated items. We can use inheritance now. I want to change app theme to base theme and add another style with app theme name which extends from base theme. In v21 style.xml file, change the app theme parent to base theme and remove first three lines and keep navigation bar color. Now our code is cleaner because we just define color primary dark, and color accent once and use it with inheritance. Now if you run the application, you will see the same result. There is another way which we can check device Android version in the code at runtime and using the features if available. As you see in the code snippet, build.version.sdk_int give the device Android version, which is an integer, and we can compare it to Android version with build.version_codes easily. Let's dive into the code and explore this method too. You can change navigation bar color in code with window.navigationBarColor equal color.red. As you see, we have an error which said call requires API level 21 and above. So I want to add if build.version.sdkint greater than or equal build.versionCodes.lollipop and move the code into if block. Now the error is disappeared. Now we have the same result with previous step.